We're at the Embassy Suites in Naperville, room 403, 4th floor. It's a one-bedroom suite. They have a lot of these. Coming in here, there's a little wet bar with refrigerator and Keurig coffee maker. That's oh no, there's the microwave also. There's a connecting room we didn't use. A desk with a desk chair, and on the other side is a dining room chair, so this little area doubles as dining room and desk. And there's a couch and a chair and a coffee table. Okay, we have not such an interesting view. It's the parking lot. The hotel is close to Highway 88. And here we go in the bedroom. It's a beautiful king bed. Again, view of the parking lot. There's a big TV at the end of the bed. All right. Now here is the bathroom. Okay, there's no tub, there's a shower. It's a nice shower. There's just not a lot of water pressure here in the hotel, I think. Toilet and just a single sink in the vanity. And it has an exit also to the room, so it's like here, and then we can go out again. So the rooms are small but adequate. All right. So this is the Embassy Suites in Naperville, king 2-room suite, room 403. And create an account and start subscribing. The more subscribers, the more we can publish. Thank you.